Hi guys, what's up, man? This is boy Dennis here again. Welcome to my channel. If you're not to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and share with your friend. Also, you're interested in making money online. This channel, we talk about making money online and some other stuff, vlog and some other stuff. Also, share some information on how you can start making money online as soon as possible. And also, I review product that they can help you to start making money online as soon as possible. Today, guys, I'm coming with a brand new a video that is going to help you to start making money as soon as possible. Today, I'm coming with a video that is going to help you to start making money online while you're using your browser. I'm sure you have been using browser for so many for so many times. You have been using Chrome, Google Chrome, Google, and some more other stuffs, but you never get any paid. But today I'm coming with a stuff or website that is going to help you to start making money online while you are browsing. So the website that I'm gonna come with you today, just stick with me to the end, then you understand everything. Remember, guys, I want you to start about Bumble Globalization. Bumble Globalization is now shutting down, and most of people are crying. They never get any fund. They never get any money back. Nobody have been withdrawing their funds. So, guys, most of South African, please be careful with this with all these things. Be careful. Remember, in this channel, I talk about making money online. I show you the stuff that is going to help you to start making money online as soon as possible. So make sure you follow all the steps. Don't just go and fall in scammers, because at the end of this, at the end, then you'll be furious, man. You know, you'll be end up saying like, all the online information and online making money stuff are scammers. But you are wrong. You are wrong, because there's real things about the online stuff. And most of people are making money, including me. I'm making money myself using online stuff. So just what you have to do is to make sure just you find the right way to start making money online as soon as possible. Remember, as me, if you need to start making money online as soon as possible using an affiliate marketing that I use to start generating sales online and make my living online, you can check the link in the description below. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Just follow the link in the description below. The link that I'm gonna leave it called I'm gonna just write my first one, recommendation, affiliate marketing. Then you can go and follow those links. Then if you're interested, you can buy the course and start making money online as soon as possible. Simple that. But don't go and just fall in those scammers, because you'll be end up in tears like other people. You know, there's some other people, they invested their money, they wanted to make money online, but nothing went right. They've been crying now. You know, they can't withdraw their fund, and nothing is going on. So for you to start making money online, make sure you find the right mentor, someone who's gonna guide you to the end until you start making seeing result. You know, but if you want that one-on-one coaching, you can do that. You can just hit me in my social media network, then I'll be able to answer you. Thank you so much. As you can see here, if I go to Bumble Globalization, as you can see, there's no website. It's gone, guys. Bumble Globalization co.za is gone. I can't see it here. You see, guys, this crazy guy, you can't see it. No, they are gone. Those people, they have run after eating people's money. They run. You can't see them there. So be careful. I don't want you guys to fall on these scammers. Just I want you to find the right mentor that's going to help you to start making money online as soon as possible. So simple that. If you want that, make sure you click the link in the description below. Thank you so much. So as you can see here, the website number one that you're going to use to start making money online is called Cocon.com. Cocon.com is an web browser that is going to help you to start making money online while you're using it to browse anything that you want. It's either video, information, and some other stuff. They're saying whether you they say earn cash easily with everyday browsing. You know, this is amazing. This is insane. They say whether you are shopping online, watching videos, or surfing the net for the latest news and the trends, you can do it all while earning money at the same time. So you earn money by just browsing, guys. They said Canon MDRTM is a Chrome-based browser to give you the best experience possible. Start earning money just for surfing the internet like you already do. You know, and also, I'm sorry for this web browser, it's only currency in only USA users and the only devices running Windows or Macs. So coming soon to mobile devices. So guys, this is only available to the USA users only. So I'm sure soon it will be available in all over the country, as they said. So yeah, that's it. But don't worry, I have some other apps that are going to help you if you are another country, if you're not in the USA. Another web browser, it's called brave.com. Brave.com, you earn using cryptocurrency, which they only allow you to use uphold.com. Uphold.com, I'm going to show you at the end on how you can get that account and start generating money. So in this website, in this Chrome or in this browser, as you can see, they said in browser 3 times faster than the Chrome. This is insane. Brave step online, surveillance loads content faster and uses 35% less battery. So what you have to do is just to download it Brave and start using it and start generating income. Simple that. This website clear, nice, guys, 100% legit. There's nothing to worry about. So yeah, in order to get paid, you get paid only in a cryptocurrency. They don't pay you straight in the money. They pay you through cryptocurrency, whether it's Bitcoin or some other cryptocurrency. But if you're interested also in this, you can just go ahead and create an account on this. Then you start using it and start generating income. In order to get paid in this, you just need to have an account called uphold.com. Just go and create an account here. This is where you're going to start generating money and receiving your fund from bravo.com. Simple that. So once you have done that, then you're good to go. You can start making money as soon as possible. So I hope you understand. And they said any frequency filter like a token just for browsing, turn on a Brave reward to any frequency for like token for viewing privacy and respecting ads. You can set the number of ads you see per hour. Currently, you can support your favorite web creators with your tokens, but soon you will be able to spend tokens on the premium content, gift card, and more. Simple as that, guys. I hope everything is clear. There's nothing which is hard or nothing which is complicated. Just earn money by just using their web browser, just by browsing something that you like, as you're using Chrome or other web browser. So, but using this, you just get paid on using this web browser. What you have to do is just download it in your mobile phone or in your computer or anything else that you're using, then you are good to go. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you understand everything is clear. If you like this video, make sure you like, you subscribe, and share, and comment also, so that I can be able to make more videos like this. Also, South African, if you're in South Africa, please don't forget to reach me on my Instagram or my Facebook. I'll be able to answer you all the questions that you have. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.